Hazrat Abu Hurairah radiyallahu anhu states that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, Hazrat Adam and Hazrat Moses alayhi salam entered into a debate. So Hazrat Adam alayhi salam achieved dominance over Hazrat Musa alayhi salam. Hazrat Moses alayhi salam said, "You are Adam who led the people astray and thus expelled them from paradise." Hazrat Adam alayhi salam whereupon said, "You are the one whom Allah Jalla Jalaluhu had granted the knowledge of everything and established your excellence over the other people because of his apostleship, which he Jalla Jalaluhu bestowed on you." He alayhi salam replied, "Yes." He alayhi salam thereupon said, "Are you censuring me for a thing which Allah Jalla Jalaluhu destined for me before creating me?" Hazrat Abu Hurairah radiyallahu anhu states that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, Hazrat Adam and Hazrat Moses alayhi salam entered into a debate. Hazrat Moses alayhi salam said to Hazrat Adam alayhi salam, "You are our father who expelled us from paradise." Hazrat Adam alayhi salam whereupon said to him, "You are Musa, whom Allah Jalla Jalaluhu grant distinction with his apostleship and wrote the Torah for you with his own hand, as it befits his sanctity. Are you reproaching me for a thing which Allah Jalla Jalaluhu preordained 40 years before creating me?" The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Hence, Hazrat Adam alayhi salam achieved dominance over Hazrat Moses alayhi salam. Hence, Hazrat Adam alayhi salam achieved dominance over Hazrat Moses alayhi salam in the debate." Sahih Muslim Hadees number 6685.